Welcome to my video of the Cooler Master Elite 120 Advanced Mini ITX case. It's great for portable gaming. Inside we find 3 hard drive racks with adapters to fit SSDs as standard. Here's my SSD, it's an OCZ Agility. I have my data hard drive with all my downloads and my media hard drive with all my videos and films. Inside we find the Asus P8Z77i Deluxe motherboard designed for gaming. On the back you'll find that everything looks absolutely amazing with its all black design. The back plate, the power supply and all the graphics card is all black. Inside where the graphics card should be, you'll find the Ghost XFX GPU. This is the Radeon HD 6850. Now notice there is room to fit a large GPU. This room is enough to fit a 5970. So on the top you'll notice the power supply fan is facing the top. This is due to the air ducts on the top of the case. The front of the case houses one optical drive. If we look inside we'll find it's fairly squashed, but this isn't too much of a problem. The overall rating of this case in my books is very good. I like this case very much. It houses all my equipment nicely and it isn't that hot either. I've not yet overclocked my processor and I do not wish to. Here are the main components used in my PC build. The P8Z77i Deluxe, the Radeon HD 6850 XFX, and last but not least, the Core i5 3570K. All of these components put together to make an amazing little gaming PC, great for portability.